How to turn off or on augmented reality on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on augmented reality on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there. And now click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Site Settings. Scroll down again, and here you're gonna find augmented reality, and you can turn off or on this option. If you turn on this option, they're gonna ask before allowing sites to create a 3D map of your surrounding on track camera position, or you can turn off to block this option. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.